There's a phrase in African American vernacular English that when it's used, it's meant to denote that there's a shifting in the approach that's being taken into a new direction given the information that has been absorbed. And that phrase is, I bet, watch this. Now, for any white folks watching who don't know, I bet is not agreement, but it is agreement with the new terms. And watch this is now the actions that are going to be taken because of that. In response to what the Supreme Court has been on for these last several weeks, I think it's time for Democrats and leftists and liberals to collectively say, all right, bet, watch this. Because if I'm the Democratic Party, if I'm in charge, I'm letting everybody know, no, it's cool. We're going to go ahead and we're going to win the Congress again. We're going to up our lead in the Senate. And when we do, we're going to install 9 new justices. How about that? Since y'all want to be playing games, no, y'all want to play games. How about this? I'm immune, right? I got immunity. Cool. Here come executive orders around every single one of these issues. Bump if Congress likes it or not. What y'all going to do? Send it to the Supreme Court? I don't respect them. No how. Because they don't agree with me. Like, the whole system of checks and balances is off kilter in part because Republicans and conservatives have been playing a different game for a very long time. And Democrats need to stop acting as if the social contract that we were taught in civics courses still exists. It no longer exists. Now, I know that someone's getting my comment section and say, well, then Republicans will do the same thing. They are. The fact that Merrick Garland is not a Supreme Court justice was proof positive of the reality that they are not playing the same game. We got to stop playing according to the rules because the game has changed. The rules don't exist anymore. We need to recognize game because game recognized game. Hoes do too, as Hove once said. And we need to collectively go, all right, bet, watch this. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.